un simple accident de Jafar Panahi.
و من اکنون امیدوارم که شاهد رشد تمام فیلمسازان جوانی باشم که تلاش میکنند برای اینکه سینمای ایران رو چه در داخل چه در دنیا پرآوازه سازند.
It's a polyphonic story. It's not just one character story, I guess. I think that's what I get from your question, is to try to say something about that. And I guess it's full of mirroring.